How's everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody making money? Hey, can everybody hear me? If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. I have my dog here with me. Oh, who's a good boy? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. This dog trades also. All right. So, he's gone. So why don't we have a look at the markets right now? Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Yeah, a new trader. He trades the F1 strategy. Hi, everybody. How are you, Stefan? Good morning, Rolandi. Stefan, good morning. Um, yeah, I don't speak Russian, but hi. Johnson, dear Orlando, really excited for the swing trade signals. Hope we will get soon. Really pumped up. Yeah, I mean, listen, mate. Yeah, the thing about the swing trade signals is that they rock. So I'm gonna show you, right? The swing trade signals are quite a different, animal, right? For example, I'm still holding this pound US dollar long, and it's up about five, no, it's about exactly 580 pips. 580 pips running at about 2.2%, and we already took half of it. So, you know, swing trading signals are not going to happen every single day, but when they do, and when we catch those moves or those bottoms in this case, well, we make a ton of money. Can we take a look at the USD? Sure. Soren, how are you? It's been a while since I've seen you here, Soren. Victor Papala, hi. All right, Johnson. Well, you need to be patient for those swing trading signals, right? What I'm looking at today, not today, but this week, is I told you yesterday's, guys. I told you yesterday's. I am looking for U.S. Equities long um, for the swing trading channel, but this is the range that we had yesterday. Hold on, let me just change the color of my brush. This is the range that we had yesterday, in the S&P 500. Today it's still ranging, so I'm still waiting um, for this, right? Hold on. I'm still waiting for this to ignite that pullback towards my buy zone on the S&P 500. This eager to get long traders, weak players in the market are going to get fucked. And I'm just waiting for them to get fucked before I place my buy order. Right? This is sell side liquidity being built up here. When I say sell side liquidity, I mean stop losses on buy, on a buy trades at the top of the move. If we apply all your signals with 1% risk, how many percent we can feign monthly? Well, mate, Yeah. Are you a VIP trader? Listen, mate. I mean, I hate answering this question with a number because past performance is not indicative of future results, right? But we make money, and the reason that we priced our a VIP group so low is that you can get a chance to test it out for a month, right? We even give you, a money back guarantee for the first 30 months because we are so fucking confident in what we do. So, if you are still not decided after everything that we showed you on the free channel, then it really doesn't matter to me if you decide to subscribe to the VIP group or not. It's up to you. More power to you. If you don't, and if you do, welcome. Just test it out, man. It's only 40 pounds per month. It's nothing, right? I really need management help. I'm so scared and worried all the time, sir. Yesterday I missed a lot of pips because I was too scared to close the trade with a few pips, with a few profit only. So you're talking about yesterday's pound yen, right? Yesterday's pound yen was amazing. This was my setup, right? And I closed most of it here at 115 pip profit, right? Now, the reason that you're scared is because you have absolutely no idea of the math and the probabilities behind my setups, right? And I understand, right? But I went through this yesterday. I told you guys that this was an amazing setup with an amazing risk to reward. Not such an amazing risk to reward ratio, but it had an amazing probability, a high probability of success. Right? This is an entry model that I have back tested, and it fucking works. It brings money. So if I had been stopped out on this trade, it really doesn't matter because I know that this particular setup has an above 72% probability of success. So I know that me telling you this is absolutely nothing in the sense that you can't see the data behind this setup. But if you were scared, that means that maybe you're trading too big. I don't know. All right, so fuck it. Let's look for some trades right now before we miss them. Right, so I'm looking again at Japanese yen longs, right? This is Japanese yen basket. Can everybody hear me? If not, this shirt, it's absolutely not built well. I bought it in Seattle, but it sucks. It fucking sucks. The only reason I bought it is because it's a Pearl Jam t-shirt. That's my favorite band in the entire fucking history of the music. Right, so Japanese yen basket. Let's have a look. So I am looking for longs on the Japanese yen basket. Remember, yesterday I was looking at this exact level for my Japanese yen longs. The reason that I closed most of it was not based on the Japanese yen, but mostly based on this demand zone that I was targeting, right? But looking at the Japanese yen right now, at least you're wearing a t-shirt. I'm in so many layers of clothes. It's cold. Where are you from, mate? That was funny. You know what? If I could, I would give you a thumbs up. I don't know if I can emoji something. Yes, I can. I don't know. I'll send the first one. I don't care. Boom. There you go. That was funny. Where are you from? Yeah, so yesterday, I was looking at this level, this Japanese yen basket, very similar, exactly the same thing as the DXY for the US dollar, right? So basically, what we have here is is another rejection of the same level. Now, the reason that I haven't taken any Japanese yen longs is because yesterday's rejection of this key level. So we are in a range at the moment on the Japanese yen. We are in a range on the Japanese yen, and I am looking for the break of these highs because basically what we are looking at here is a flag. It's a bullish flag, right? So short-term longs on the Japanese yen are in play. Now, why don't we go ahead and find a fucking trade to the upside on the Japanese yen? Netherlands here. Gas prices are high to turn on the heater. Powell, yo, how are you? You know what? I have a funny story about the Netherlands. The first time this was like 25 years ago. I was in university, and this summer I went to Amsterdam, and with my roommates, and when we came out of Central Station, we were students, right? So our budget was very limited. So we booked an apartment on the red light district, right? But we were walking, and the first thing that we saw coming down from Central Station, and I saw it, right? I saw it, through an alley to the right was the Sex Museum. And that was the first thing that I saw in Amsterdam. Yeah. That was a very, 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 um, you know, Hollandese welcome. Your calls are fire. Thank you. Where are you from, Orlando, and where do you live in? Listen, mate, I'm Latino. I don't like, I'm Latino, right? Just have a look at the color of my skin and my accent. I don't like, giving personal information because it really doesn't matter with what we do here. But yes, I am Latino. Yeah. So, Japanese yen longs. Why don't we find a fucking setup? I was looking. Where was I looking? Euro yen Noah, Aussie yen Noah, CAD yen. I don't remember. Maybe it was the Euro yen. So yeah, it was the Euro yen. Right. So this is the Euro Japanese yen. Right. Latin fire. Listen, mate. The only bad thing of trading for a living or day trading for a living whilst living in Latin America is that I have to wake up every day at 1 a.m. to start my day. But I'm used to it, so it really doesn't matter. Um, I was looking at the euro yen. Remember, we're looking for Japanese yen longs. I'm not going to take a short here at market. Trading the short side on the euro yen is basically buying Japanese yens, right? I attract all the Latinas. What do we have on the calendar today? I don't know. You know what? That's a great fucking question. I haven't looked at the calendar today. Forex Factory. So, we have absolutely nothing. We have absolutely nothing. We have PPI and core PPI month over month. on the U.S. We have nothing. We have absolutely nothing on the economic calendar. So basically, what I'm looking at here is Japanese yen longs, but I'm only going to trade the long side on the Japanese yen if we have the breakout of the previous highs, right? Now, I'm not going to place, a trade on the Japanese yen basket. That's stupid. But the thing that I do like about the euro yen is that I can place a sell stop just below these lows, right? So the range here, let's see, the range here from current price is about 0.55%, and the range from current prices to a breakout on the Japanese yen is exactly 0.55%. So the euro yen yields the best setup. Are you able to show us how to detect that real big players are in play? For sure. I suppose it's on the volume of the course, but how can I see it? Yeah, I can show you that, but later. Big candles equal big players? No, no. Right, so that's a good question. Ana Niña Mora. If you speak Spanish, you can. Puedes hablar en español también. No, but you know what? You're wrong. Big candles does not mean big players in the market. Big candles, no. For example, just looking at this, the 1 hour on the Euro Japanese yen, this is the big candle here, right? This doesn't mean that big players have jumped in into the market. Absolutely fucking not. What this means is that big players have already jumped into the market, right? Creating, I'm sorry, creating that the break of the structure in this market. And what this means, what this candle means, is that there was absolutely no buyers here. This is why there was that, gap in the market here. But I'm not gonna go into this right now. I might, just schedule a webinar, a free webinar, right, for everybody, just to, yeah, just talk about market structure and liquidity. But today is not the day. When you say you like it, that means money. Money, money. You know what? I'm gonna play that money fucking song just because here goes, here comes the money. Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money. Yeah. Yes, I'm Spanish. I learned that big candles are also big players. Yeah, but you know what? Be careful with that because big candles don't. Big candle. When you see big candles, that means that big players already have already entered the market, and um, these are just momentum candles, and there's absolutely no way that you're gonna catch the move on them. Orlando be making money. Hey, I'm sorry about your speakers. So, Japanese yen longs. Let's go to the higher time frames just to see. Possibly here, right? Just looking at key levels. This is a massive key level, right? Um, I do not like. I do not like where price is trading at the moment. That's the first thing that I need to point out. Short here, boom. Let's have a look at this. It's quite all right, right? 2.68 per 2.68 R, right? Let's go to a 50-minute chart. Um, yeah. Actually, hold on. Actually, hold on. This might be just a great, great, great setup. Now, let me just visualize this. Right. So, if you look at this, right, let's. It's 4:30 a.m. East time. I'm on DJ mode. It's 3:30 a.m. here, mate. Uh, and it doesn't matter, Pablo. I mean, just rock it. I really, really don't care. Just be yourself, and if that is your true self, I appreciate it. Right. So I dig this actually. Um. Right. I'm gonna go through everything right now. So here we had these lows that were broken with. Right. Now, where's the supply zone that ignite the move to the downside? Now let's go to a 10-minute chart. I don't know why it shows here. So the supply zone here has already been mitigated, if you notice. It was mitigated here with this spike high. So this supply zone absolutely is not the one that we need to trade. Right now, um, we have an an imbalance. Let's see if we do have an imbalance here. Hold on. Yeah, I need to change the color of this. Right. Yeah, that imbalance has been filled. Right. That imbalance has been filled. Oh, so basically, what we might have here, hold on, is exactly that bull trap, or very possibly the same setup that we had yesterday on the pound yen. Yeah, I do like it. I like it a lot. Actually, I'm going to place that. I'm going to place this um, ICT concept. Actually, yeah, Powell. You are fucking right. ICT, ICT. I don't trade ICT concept, right? I don't trade ICT per se, right? But if you guys really, really want to learn about market liquidity, that is an amazing place to start, right? I don't trade ICT setups at all. I don't. But what I learned from, and you know what? I am fully, fully, fully transparent about everything that I do. I have never told you guys that I'm the best or the best trader ever. No, this is a never-ending learning fucking job. And what I learned from ICT is to spot liquidity in the market. And that concept alone made a ton of sense to me, and it completed my entry models, right? So yes, what I mean, when I talk about liquidity in the market, I learned from ICT, but I don't trade ICT setups. I just learned how to spot liquidity in the market, and I apply that concept into my entry models, right? But yeah, that's a good spot. Fair value gaps, etc. Yeah. Hello, Stefan. You are the best. I have joined a lot of single groups. You are by far the best. Johnson, I fucking love the kind words. In fact, I'm going to use your kind words for marketing purposes. Who else is here also using Telegram copier? Yeah, hey Stefan, I started, responding to the previous signals or whatever. Right. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. So what is it? So Powell, this is the thing, right? You always need to look for what makes sense to you, right? And in my trading, liquidity, this concept was missing, and you have no idea how much once I applied it. And applying a new concept to your entry models is not easy. You have to backtest the shit out of them, right? But you have no idea how much my profitability increased once I did. But yes, it's all thanks to ICT. You know what? I'm never going to lie to you. Everything that I've learned from someone. I mean, this is not. I mean, I have not found gold here, right? What I've done here is just I have applied a ton of concepts, and just I have polished my entry models, and I love what I do right now. All right, so yeah, I don't, I don't look too much at order blocks or whatever. I do look at liquidity. Whenever I tell you guys, you need to look for people that are about to get fucked and then enter the fucking market. Is exactly that. It's talking about liquidity. Yes. If there's one misspell, Stefan straight copier will not copy anything. But it really doesn't matter. I am looking for Japanese yen longs, and the euro yen. I think is the best setup to look for them. This is a no trade range on the Japanese yen. And again, if you just join us, I'm going to go through this setup very quickly because I am going to place a pending order. So from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, we are looking at a 1% range, right? On the euro yen, from the top of the range to the bottom of the fucking range, we're looking at about an 80% range. Actually, it's the other way around. Same fucking thing, right? An 0.8% range. So basically, if the Japanese yen, if buyers jump in on the Japanese yen and break with the highs and break with this, bullish flag or whatever, right? We are going to get triggered short on the euro yen. And this is where I'm going to place my fucking order, right? Now, targets. Yeah, targets. My stop losses are about 119 pips. Targets are about 333 pips. So about a 2.68 R. Gold. I miss my gold. Yeah, but I am looking for more golds. Yes, I do have a gold setup, and it's very ICT. So I'm going to place this short on the euro yen. Now, the thing that I don't like is where price is printing those highs, those daily highs. That's why I'm using a sell stop just below the daily lows. because I can't find I mean, yes, after this mitigation, right? We might find a short setup here, but I hate on the higher time frames. I just hate where price is trading at the moment, and the only reason that I would trade short this market is on a bullish breakout on the Japanese yen. So that's why I'm not even looking for, for setups here inside of this range. I'm not even placing sell stops below these lows because it's inside of the fucking range. So I'm gonna leave this a little bit, because there's still heaps of pips to go to my entry. And we're going to have a look at gold. Gold. Gold actually was, all right, 2 minutes chart. All right, let's have a look at gold. Right now, I'm going to delete everything here. What do I always tell you guys? What do I always tell you guys? Uh, Deep buys to the previous broken highs are bullshit, right? Look at what happened here. Deep buys to the previous broken highs are bullshit. They just got stopped out, right? Deep buys to the previous broken highs in a bullish scenario do not fucking work, right? Let's have a look at what happened in this market, right? 3 minute chart maybe. Yeah. I mean, there's no reason why I'm using the 3 minute chart or the 2 minute chart. The only reason is because I always want to have the entire price action or the market that I'm looking at without zooming in like this, right? How is it a copier from Ruin? Yeah, I don't know. Um, you guys figure out about your trade copier. I don't know. So what happened here is this. This market is super bullish. So I am looking for the zone that created the break of the structure. So we had a break of the structure here, right? A break of the structure. Right now, liquidity has been fucked here and here, right? This is a good thing. This is a good thing. Now, the way that I look at this is absolutely. Well, the way that I look at this, I look at the volume, right? And I go to the very low time frames, in this case, a 1 minute chart or whatever. I mean, whatever you want. And I look for accumulation in buying volume, right? Before the break of the structure, before the break of the highs in this case, right? And I look for accumulation of buying volume. Here's that accumulation of buying volume. And here is the zone that I want to trade. So basically what I do is super easy. Uh, this is the zone that I want to trade long gold, right? It might be a little wider than most people, uh, you know, would trade, but this is my preferred zone. Also, I use some key fibs just to point out my power buy zones right here. Apparently, this shit here, just to have a fucking look. Yeah, a little lower actually, but it's fine. My stop losses would have to be below these lows. I'm not going to place an hold on, here and here and here. This is the actual zone. So I'm not going to place, a buy limit here, right? I'm not going to place a buy limit. I could actually place a buy limit at the 1772.60, which would look something like this. Uh-huh. You know, something like this. for a 5R. Yeah, I could, but I am not going to place that pending order just yet because I know that I can find a better risk to reward ratio. Once price mitigates this zone, and I mean, what I would look for is this, right? A low, then a high, then a higher high, then a low, and here is where I would look for those longs, giving me a 10R trade or so. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Um, long gold in play, my friends. Long gold in play. Whew. We already closed my ear. I'm sorry, guys. Already closed my Euro USD longs. I opened one. Well, good power to you, man. Congratulations. So waiting for this long in gold. You know, looking very very good. Actually, I'm gonna flag it hot. Euro yen. Uh-huh. I don't remember what my order was. I mean, this is quite wide. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take it. I'm not sure. I mean, yeah. I mean, You know what? I'm going to place it because a break of this highs, a break of this zone. Just have a look at the previous, impulsive moves here. So a break of these moves, of these lows, highs. I'm sorry. Could bring, in fact, some very, very strong bullish volume or momentum or volatility or whatever. And yeah, the euro yen is the one that's yielding the best risk to reward ratio or the best setup. Not even the best risk to reward ratio, but the best setup. Yeah, nothing here. Uh, yeah, another thing here, the CAD yen, right? The CAD yen is just, let's have a look at the 8-hour chart. Yeah, this is such a big, big, big level here on the CAD yen that if I were to take a short on the CAD yen, meaning that if I were to, buy Japanese yen using this product or this currency pair or whatever you want to call it, actually, it doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad. Hold on, let me see. 10-hour chart. It really doesn't look that bad, mates. But the risk to reward ratio, that's it. The risk to reward ratio here just sucks. Not even a 1 to 1 R. Yeah, so the CAD yen is a no go. And the USD yen, um, again, I mean, it's a no go. So the euro yen is the one that I am looking at, and the you just look at the main differences between those markets. Even though I'm looking for this, I mean, my rationale on looking for setups on this market is the same in the sense that I'm looking for Japanese yen longs, right? But would you rather try to find USD Japanese yen shorts at these lows or Euro yen shorts after the pullback? So I am more keen on trading a pullback than a break of the super lows of the move, right? So I'm about to place this one. Again, you don't have to do anything that I do, right? The only reason I'm here is to show you what I am doing. I am not a financial advisor whatsoever. So whenever you guys ask me, yesterday I had a couple of questions of you guys asking me, I have an open trade. Should I take profit here or not? And it's not that I'm being an asshole, guys. It's not that I'm being a cunt. No. It's just that, legally speaking, I just can't tell you what the fuck you can do or not do with your money, right? Because let's imagine that you're trading a $200 account, and I tell you, yes, you should take profit, and then that market just rallies 7,000 pips. Legally, you could, in fact, sue me for giving you that bad advice. So, yeah, when it comes to, managing your open trades and, trading, uh, you have to do yourself. All right, so these two are my preferred trades at the moment. So let's see. I don't think that we're going to get that entry on gold. Perhaps let's have a look. Yeah, most likely we are going to get that entry. This more liquidity being built up. I absolutely see no reason why buyers would jump here long. Maybe. Yeah, I see absolutely no reason why. So basically, and this is a probabilities game, right? I'm not saying that this happens 100% of the times, but very possibly this is just sell side liquidity of eager to get long traders, right, before the true zone mitigation. For you go to daily chart EU and plot. No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, sorry. I mean, if you want me to look at your chart, just send me your chart. I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna do that. Right. So just waiting for this. This is looking very good. This is actually looking phenomenal. Oh yes, this is looking phenomenal. There's two ways of playing this. First one would be placing a buy limit here, right, just below this week low to get filled, and stop losses, below the box, and the box should be here. Yeah, that gives us about a 5R. And the other one is waiting for price to mitigate the zone and find a much, much better risk to reward ratio entry. Which completely to be completely honest with you, I don't do very often. I just place my orders. Where's magenta? Hmm. Yeah, that's beautiful. This is a nice setup. Uh, So far, your signals have had best results. Thanks for the great trades. You are welcome, mate. You're welcome. There's so much money in this market that for everybody to profit from, that's crazy. So more power to you. Don't use FX choice. Fuck that. Fuck FX choice. Don't even plug that in my fucking chat or I will ban you. That's a bad broker. We use AvaTrade. Yeah, and if you wanna, if you open an account with our link, deposit the minimum on AvaTrade and trade with that account, then you get, lifetime access to all of our VIP groups. And the reason is because that is an affiliate link, which means that if you do all that, AvaTrade pays us for bringing you to them, and that pays for your lifetime subscription. I don't know why I would hide that. It's just business. I'm using now. Only thing I don't like is they use a lot of margin and can do quick small scalps if I already run some of their own drawback. Yeah, maybe because your account is very small. Orlando, do you believe on algo trading? Yes. I don't do it myself because I cannot code. But yeah, I mean, any strategy that is back tested and it's based on math, um, it's a good strategy. I'm from USA. Is Ava trade available to USA? No, it's not. But I think that we have a USA, a broker that partner broker that allows USA traders. Just email support for that. Yeah, sure. I'll give you the link on our trade. Damn it. Alright. You guys want everything spoon fed through your fucking mouths. That's alright. That's alright. Hold on. So this is the link for AvaTrade. Right? Boom. Use that link because if you don't use that link, we don't get the money. And if we don't get the money, then nobody's going to pay for your fucking subscription. And someone was asking about U.S. A broker that allows U.S. traders. Well, it's a Longhorn. This is the link. Same fucking thing. Open an account, deposit, trade that account, send your account details to our support team, and they will fucking sort you out, right? What about XM? You know XM. I used to trade on XM, but they're a big company and everything. But I had a ton of slippage, um, issues with them. I just don't like them, you know. So yeah, other trade is a good one. Yeah, I mean we do not partner with unregulated brokers, mate. So uh, IC Market is a good one, mate. IC Market is a very very good broker, but we are not partnered with them. I'm never going to. I'm never going to talk shit about a broker just because we're not partnered with them. No, IC Market's super solid, but we're not partnered with them. So if what you're looking is access, lifetime access to all of our VIP groups by opening a new brokerage account, AvaTrade is the one, right? But well, if you're not, and if you're good, just paying the monthly subscription, IC Markets is as solid as it gets. Right. So, damn it. Did I miss this one or not? I don't know. Yan. Oh boy, here we go. Here we fucking go. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna place this one. I'm going to place this one. Yes. Definitely. So you're a yen, guys. You raw yen. This is the one that I'm going to play. Yeah, because this is a fucking game, right? It's a zero sum game. Right. So let me grab my MT4. Market watch. I'm kind of tired. Actually, my head hurts. My head is killing me. I don't know why. Euro yen, and below this lows. You know what? No, you have to stay true to your entry model. And in this case, it's this one right fucking here. Oh boy, let's be quick because it's moving. This is fucking moving, guys. Right. So entry sell stop at 144.20. Stop loss at 145.44. Yeah, it's a wide stop loss, but you know what? You have to take the stop loss that the market gives you. So I don't remember. I don't remember what I said. 144.20. 145.40. Bum bada bum bum bum. Risking 1%. 144.20. 140 what? 145.40. 145.40. Alright, so calculating my position. I don't know why this fucking position size calculator doesn't calculate position size on yen pairs, but you know what? I'll eyeball it. That's fine. 0.04, I guess, is the one for the account that tracks all of our BAP trade sell stop. So 144.20. Uh-huh. Yeah, 145.45. 145.45. And the TP is at 141. All right, 141. Let's see. Damn it. I didn't eyeball it correctly. Huh. Sell stop should be 0 point. All right, boom. Yeah, now we're good. Okay, let me get this straight. Sorry for being a noob. No, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, fuck that. You know what? Before I even read your question, mate, you know what? Never fucking never apologize for asking a question, you know? Fuck that. I mean, I don't even care about what everybody thinks of your question. Don't. I mean, if you have a question, just ask the fuck away because it's better, you know. It's better to sound like you don't know something for 2 minutes rather than live with that without knowing that for the rest of your lives. I know that it will not happen for the rest of your life, but never apologizing for asking for information. Fuck that. So, when I open an account through the link you posted, I get lifetime access? Yes. What does it cost me? Reason. You need to open an account. You need to deposit the minimum, which is $500, and you need to trade that fucking account, right? Because I mean, we just got rid of a ton of people that were abusing this system, right? Because they were opening accounts, depositing, sending the account details to our support team, and just not trading that account, right? But now, if you don't trade that account, we will ban you from our company. Send your order in the VIP, please. Yeah, give me a second, mate. Shit. Yeah, I'll send it right now. uh, Fuck yes, I'll send it. The new VIP trade. Euro yen. Shit, Euro yen. I need a new computer. You know, this laptop has served me well, but the battery has bloated, and it bloated through the mouse. You know, the laptop mouse, so it doesn't work. Yeah, I need a new laptop. I'll buy one. Um, so it's euro yen, right? Sell stop at 144.20 with stop losses at 145. Hold on, stop loss at 145. 45, and TP at 141. Kind of a risk 1%. Kind of a yeah. I'm digging this one. I'm digging this one. So it's a 2.6 R. I'll call it 2.7 R. Fuck it, right? 2.7 R. And there you go. Boom. Um, yeah, there you fucking go. And which one is the only? And the other one here. Yeah. All right. So your yen looking good. Gold. Um, let's this is gold, right? So we're looking at the very low time frames. Yeah, I mean, very possibly we're going to get that. These people getting fucked, huh, around the New York Open. Oh, I need a new mouse too. Damn it, I need a ton of things. Yeah, or I don't know if we already missed it, but it seems that I mean, just have a look at this. Hold on. This is actually the zone that I should, in fact, be looking at. But because I'm not fucking greedy, I always look at my power buy zones. And yes, my stop losses are a little bit wider than, someone would trade. In fact, I'm sorry, I was looking at this. Yeah, a little bit wider, but you know what? I mean, just by backtesting the shit out of this entry model, I have found that this is where I make money. Right. So, I mean, gold is just not going to happen right now. Euro yen, if you're not part of the VIP group, and I mean, you're not going to be part of the VIP group, you're not going to get updates on this. But just know that if price just breaks with this high, then my trade idea is no longer valid, which would mean that the Japanese yen just faked out and will continue lower, etc. Et fucking cetera, etc. etc. Oh, when you say 0.4% and 1%, what? I don't know. What happened? Jean-Paul. Jean-Paul, moi je parle français aussi. Tu peux poser les questions en français si tu veux. Below one. Yeah. Listen, guys. I mean, before I log off, just a piece of fucking advice, right? No, just a piece of advice. And I'm even going to do this. Just a piece of advice. Whenever you're looking at position sizing, think about it in percentages, not in lot size, right? Because listen, this Monar, you're trading $1,000 account, right? And this is I mean, yeah, this stop loss is about 127 pips. So a 0.01 lot is more than 1%. So it's up to you if you want to take the trade, right? But sometimes 0.01 is going to be 0.4%. So just Google MT4 position size calculator and download one. You know, shit, just do that. Or, my friends, I am not affiliated with this website. Uh huh. Size calculator. But this is by far the greatest fucking thing ever developed, and it's. I don't even remember this that app. I don't remember the site. Shit. I don't remember. Um, hold on. I'm gonna find it on my Gmail. Uh huh. It's the best fucking thing. Or calculator. Risk calculator. Uh-huh. Right, here it is. Now, this fucking thing is the best thing ever. Right, go to riskcalculator.app and buy it. I think it's. I mean, I have. It's like $9 a month. It's stupid cheap, right? It's $10 a month. Shit, it's $10 a month. $10 a month, and you can literally trade from. I mean, it's an EA that plugs a risk calculator on your MT4 or MT5, and it's amazing. Just do it, right? Just fucking do it, right? Just do it. Shit. Orlando, I'll be going to bed now. Good night, and see you again soon. Thanks again for using reply buttons on trade. Shit, you're more than welcome, mate. Sir, how do you? Sure, how do you exit with 80% profit? Should we open more than one lot? No, mate. Listen, alright, that's a good question. Um, if you have, alright, if you have one lot open, right, and I sent a message that you should exit 80% of your trade. Just double click on your open trade in your MT4 and close zero point 0.8 lots and leave 0.20 lot open. I have two accounts, one with 2,000 for day trade, I only risk 1% per trade, another with 2,000 for swing trade, I risk 5% per trade. Shit, that's a big risk. I would never do that. Sure, I would never ever do that. I mean, just because you're swing trading, it doesn't mean that you should be risking so much of your account. In fact, my recommendation is that you should not do that because what I see here when you're typing this, I mean, on your message, what I see here is that what you call swing trading is just open a position and perhaps letting it draw down 5% on you, right? That's not a good strategy, mate. Just imagine you hit three trades. I mean, losing three trades in a row happens a ton of times, man. It happens a ton, right? Fuck it, let's be real. It happens. And just imagine uh, losing 15% of your account on three trades. That's just fucking stupid. Don't do that. Malik, welcome. You're welcome. Don't do that, man. Shit, don't do that, Romeo. What the fuck are you doing? The stupid, stupidest shit I have ever read. Don't do that. I mean, the power in swing trading is, um, well, you can risk 1% the same way that you risk 1% per trade on your day trade account, whatever, or day trading. Where the power in swing trading is that, um, you're going to make 5% or 6%. For example, I'm gonna give you a fucking example, mate. I mean, it's a real example because the trade is open, right? It's the one, the pound USD, right? Now, this trade is up 2.25%. But I already took half of it off. And when I took half of it off, I made 2%. That means that overall this trade has yield 4.25%, and it's still running. It's just starting to run with a 1.20% risk. So that's the power of swing trading. You do not understand that. Gold is coming down to my zone. Shit. Let's have a look. No, it's still. I mean, I'm gonna go take a nap. You know, guys. Before, before the New York Open. If I miss the, um, you need to understand something. Most of, I mean, all of you guys get a good 8, 9. If you're lazy as fuck, 10, 11 nights sleep, hours sleep, right? I can't do that. So I sleep 3 times a day, 3 hours per sleep, ratio. And now I'm gonna go take a nap. That's how I do it because if I mean just imagine, guys, I need to wake up every day at around 1 a.m. and I trade all throughout the London session and the New York session. And if I were to sleep 8 9 hours straight, I would miss the entire day here, and that would mean that I would only live at night, and I would go fucking crazy. So yeah, I sleep 3 times a day, and now it's time to go to sleep for me, just a little bit, right before the New York Open. And if I miss the trade, well, I miss the trade. I'm not gonna place that. Maybe I will. I don't know. I mean, I just like this zone. This is fantastic. This is a fantastic zone. But I'll decide later. I'll decide later. And if I decide to place that order, I'll let my VIPs know. Um, and the thing is that also the US dollar is just about to break with these lows. This is just phenomenal because Olympus trades are going to rock. And that GBP USD long trade also going to rock. So, heads up to US dollar shorts. I don't think we're going to take any more trades. If in fact we get that breakup with a ton of momentum, then this entry is just not going to happen. Hold on. Right, so fuck it. I'm gone. Yeah. Thank you for being here, guys. If you want to be part of the VAP group, you know what to do. If you already have an account, a broker account, there's no need. Just pay for the fucking subscription. It's not expensive. And yeah, I mean, we know what we're doing. If you see value in what we do, right? 40, I mean, 40 pounds, or I don't even know how much it is. But it's just not expensive. Um, yeah, one trade can really easily pay for your monthly subscription. So it's up to you. I am gone, and yeah, be patient with your training, right? Being a trader, right? It doesn't mean that you're going to sit down in front of your charts and just click that button, that mouse buy or sell button, right? No, being a trader is all about discipline, patience, and being disciplined enough to only take the best setups to be profitable long term. Because it really doesn't matter the outcome of one single trade or the outcome of the past two, three, fucking four trades, five trades. Doesn't matter. I mean, uh, doesn't matter. Fuck that. I mean, don't be results oriented. It's all about the math. It's all. The we are trading against the biggest money, people with more information than us. We we can make a dent on the market. So the edge, or where we can find an edge, is on the probabilities and the math of the setups that we trade, and just being disciplined enough to only trade those, right? So yeah. What do you think about USD? I don't know. I don't care. Fuck the Euro US dollar. Uh huh. See you tomorrow. Cheers.